Perhaps you're a lefty playing with a righty. Or maybe you've got a great forehand and your partner has a fantastic backhand. What can you do to take advantages of those strengths and hide a few of those weaknesses? If you said stacking, you're correct. And that's what we're going to talk about today, the ins and the outs of stacking. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. Stacking is a fantastic strategy if you're a left-handed player playing with somebody who's right-handed, or perhaps somebody's got a great forehand, maybe somebody has a wonderful backhand. It's a way to keep people on the side of the court that they're best at. Not only does it give them the ability to excel because they're good on that side of the court, it probably hides some of your weaknesses. If you watch upper level pickleball, especially in mixed doubles, you see more and more stacking. So just how do you do it? That's what we're going to go through today. If you're new to this channel, welcome. You'll find all things pickleball here, from equipment and paddles to instruction and the latest in strategies. If you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button and then the bell notification over on the side. That way you'll know whenever I post a new video. What are some of the reasons? There was a fault, and now it's Sarah's turn to serve. Since Wes was the first server and the score is odd, he should be standing on the odd side of the court, which means Sarah will be serving from the right side or the even side of the court. It's now side out with a score of 3-0. West should be on the odd side of the court, which means Sarah will be the first returner on the even side. Here are a couple of key points to remember about stacking and how to keep it all straight. I'm anxious to know if you utilize stacking as a regular strategy during pickleball. Please put that down in the comments below. If you've got any questions about stacking, if you're not sure what to do, how to defend against a stack, maybe where to hit the return, put those in the comments as well, and we'll shoot a future video based on those. If you got value from this video, don't forget, give it a thumbs up and share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.